Zoom expanded its Zoom phone service across key business hubs in India, integrating it with Zoom Workplace and Zoom Contact Center. This service supports public switched telephone network, PSTN, calling and features AI capabilities, including post-call summaries and voicemail prioritization. Indian businesses can now acquire local numbers in supported regions, ensuring seamless communication even in areas where Zoom Phone isn't directly available. The rollout covers 6 telecom circles in India, including Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, thereby covering major business and technology hubs in the country. This expansion marks a significant step in Zoom's effort to support India's transition from traditional private branch exchange (PBX) systems to modern, flexible collaboration platforms. Zoom's phone service is part of its comprehensive cloud-based platform, which offers video meetings, team chat, VoIP phone services, webinars, and collaboration tools like whiteboards and scheduling. The company's key offerings include Zoom Meetings, Zoom Phone, Zoom Rooms, and Zoom Contact Center. By bringing Zoom Phone to these regions, Zoom aims to enable businesses to leverage modern telephony solutions, enhancing their communication and collaboration capabilities. The expansion into Chennai, for instance, builds on the earlier launch in the Maharashtra Telecom Circle, demonstrating Zoom's commitment to growing its presence in India's vibrant technology business hubs. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.